another by Candace Jones production. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get this quick yet fire wash and go. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like diffusing. When I diffuse my wash and goes, it just turns into a whole frizzy mess, and it looks a hot mess, to be honest, in my opinion, on my hair. So I don't like to do that, and I end up air drying. And air drying for me can take anywhere from 7 hours to all damn day, and sometimes I just don't have the time if I want my curls to be fresh, if I want them to be popping and I have something to do later on, like in the same day. I want to be able to just do it and go soon after and not have to stress about my hair still being wet and turning into a frizzy mess. Another benefit to this wash and go is that it gives you really good volume on day one. With my regular method, I'll spend an hour, 2 hours on applying all of the products just to fluff it to death on day one so I can get this sort of volume, but I don't even have to do that much work to get it nice and big and fluffy like I like it on the first day. So if you guys are interested in that, then keep watching. But first, make sure you give this video a thumbs up because that really helps my channel. And while you're there, you might as well just subscribe to the channel because why not? I usually post on Wednesdays and Sundays, so turn on those notifications so you know exactly when a new video drops. And I'm gonna shut up, let's get into it. So I've washed my hair. Let me show you guys what I use to wash and condition. To wash, I use the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free shampoo with almond oil and coconut oil. This is one of my favorite shampoos. It does not strip my hair and make it feel dry. It's very gentle and actually leaves my hair pretty soft, but also cleans it really well. And to condition, I use this Honey's Handmade Melbas Sweet Potato and Turmeric Healthy Scalp Hair Mask. This mask smells just like sweet potato pie and it's just so yummy. So many good ingredients. Let me name some of them. It has distilled water, organic sweet potato, turmeric, jojoba, emu, Maura, and fragrance. This felt so good on my hair. It really allowed me to detangle my hair. I've had it in a ponytail for like weeks and haven't detangled it, and this really helped. So if you haven't tried Honey's Handmade, I highly recommend it. They have really good products. And after I wash my hair, I put it under this microfiber turban, and this is one of the most important parts when it comes to getting a wash and go that dries really quickly. You don't want your hair to be super soaking wet, so I put it under this microfiber towel to absorb some of the moisture, and it also leaves my hair feeling very soft. This one is from Aqua's Hair. I'll leave the link in the description box, but you can use any one that you want. So this is what she is looking like currently. Real cute. Real cute. So I'm just gonna put these in a ponytail and start styling.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me.
Yes, girl, yes. So I have my first section out and I'm going to moisturize it. I'm going in with a really light moisturizer. You don't want to go in with a super heavy cream because that's going to make your hair take really long to dry. So something really light will suffice. That's another reason why it was important for me to use a nourishing and moisturizing hair mask, because that'll get all the oils and moisture in my hair without having to use a heavy cream. So I'm using the Texture ID Coils Daily Moisturizing Cream with sweet almond oil, honey, and yogurt extract. And I'm just gonna be really generous with it. Not too much, but also like, you know, a good amount, because why not? So I just rub this through.
You know what it is whenever I visit.
And then just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed, I'm going to go through it with a dead man brush. And now that the section is nice and moisturized and detangled, I'm gonna go in with a small section from the back, from the black. I can't stop. From the back, and clip the rest out of the way. Now for the real superhero, the real secret ingredient is a foam. If you've never used a foam to do your wash and go, to style your wash and go, you are really missing out. I'm not gonna say everybody's gonna like it, but for my hair texture and for my hair type, it really works. So I'm gonna be using the Texture ID Thermal Multi-Styling Foam, and this will really help my hair dry so quick. When you use gel, especially when I use gel, because I use a lot of gel, I'm very heavy-handed because I want my hair to be nice and defined, and it's gonna take 24 hours, and who has the time? So this dries down really quick and it gives you some really good definition. It doesn't last as long as my gel wash and goes, but it really gets the job done. So I'm just gonna go in with like 2 pumps and rake it through. I have a video on this product doing a review, like my first impressions. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you check the description box. Another plus is that this defines your curls really quickly, so you're not going to spend all day raking and smoothing trying to get your curl definition. Almost as soon as you put it on there, your curls start to clump and get defined. You also don't have to use as small of sections.
City, she blowing me kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me?
Alright guys, so I'm done with section number 1. So I'm going to finish the rest of my head and come back when I am all done. They are fluffy but still defined on the ends. The roots are a little bit more fluffy than it would be obviously if I use gel, but you know, that's fine. Day 1 is going to be popping. You're not going to have to do a bunch of fluffing in order to get your hair nice and voluminous because it already has that volume. And as you can see, my hair looks pretty much dry already, especially this side. This is the side that I did first, and the ends are definitely dry and the roots are about halfway dry. So this is probably going to take about, I would say, about 2 hours to fully dry to the root, and that is a big upgrade from like the traditional. For me, it usually takes like 6 or 7 hours for my hair to dry when I use gel. So I'm going to come back once my hair is fully dry so I can show you guys the final result. It's about 2.5 hours later and my hair is completely dry. It feels so soft. Like no crunch at all. You don't have to break any crunch or do anything, but I am going to stretch and fluff it, and to do that I use my blow dryer. This is the Hot Shot Tools blow dryer. It's just from Sally Beauty, and I'm just gonna go section by section and stretch and blow dry the root.
Blowing me kisses, blowing me kisses, blowing me kisses, blowing me kisses, baby, you can show me things. Blowing me kisses, blowing me kisses, blowing me kisses, later you can show me things. Is it? Is it? I believe, is it? Later you can show me things. Is it? Is it? I believe, is it?
Now it's time for some fluffing. I'm gonna go in with this wide tooth comb and just fluff a little bit, just a little, because it already has lots of volume. When I tell you that my hair is so soft right now, I didn't have to add any oil or any sort of butter or anything. It is just giving me life. So I'm just giving it a little bit of extra volume just because that's how I like it and that's my business. And last but certainly not least, you got to go in and smooth those edges out. They looking alright, but they could be better. So we're just going to add some gel and some edge control, and the end result is going to look something like this.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
Alright y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned something new, or you know, like the music, you know, like something about the video. I will see you, what's today? This going up on Sunday. So I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye. Mwah. I wish I could just feel my hair through the screen, because I don't want y'all to think I'm capping, because that's just not the type of person that I am. That's not who God made me to be. But my hair feels so soft, and my hair has been in a slick pony for about 4 weeks. So I'm surprised that it's like respecting me in this manner right now.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach?